Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and boy do I have a special treat for you today. I am at the Greens at Morgan Creek, one of Roseville's most exclusive neighborhood, gated communities, and behind me is a home that sits on almost a half an acre, single-story home. It's an amazing house that has everything that you're looking for in a house, so without further ado, come take a tour with me. This amazing single-story home features brand new hardwood floors, a gourmet kitchen with built-in monogram GE appliances, including 2 dishwashers, 2 ovens, and many other great amenities. So continue the tour and meet me in this beautiful backyard.